If you want to unlink OneDrive in Windows, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and easy way. This is helpful if you no longer want OneDrive syncing on your computer, or if you simply want to disconnect your account from this PC without deleting anything from the cloud. Before we begin, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when a new guide goes live. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Now that the OneDrive window is open, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click that gear icon and then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the OneDrive settings window where you can manage how the app behaves on your Windows PC. Inside the settings window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click the Account tab. This is the section where your Microsoft account and device connection settings are stored. If you're trying to disconnect OneDrive from this computer, this is the place you need to be. Next, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Go ahead and click that. Windows will usually ask you to confirm your choice because unlinking will stop this computer from syncing with your OneDrive account. This does not delete your files from OneDrive Online, and it does not erase everything on your computer. It simply disconnects the account from this device. When the confirmation box appears, click Unlink Account to finish the process. Once you confirm it, OneDrive will be disconnected from Windows on that computer. At that point, syncing will stop, and the OneDrive app will no longer be connected to that account on this PC. If you ever want to reconnect later, you can always sign back in through OneDrive again. But if your goal was to stop the sync and remove the link between OneDrive and your Windows device, then you're all set. That's how to unlink OneDrive in Windows in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.